how to comment photo in TikTok. So if you want to comment photo in TikTok, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now here you will have these TikToks, right? So if you want to comment a photo in TikTok, then you just need to go for the comment section. Simply tap on the comments, and under comments here, you need to go for the comment bar. And under your comment bar here on the left side, you will have your profile option, right? But instead of that profile option, you will have image or a video option. So if you have that option, you can simply tap on it, and then you can choose a photo from your album, or you can take a photo right now and then you can comment that. But if you don't have that option right here, then it means that you may have not updated your TikTok account, or the application or the feature might not be available in your region. So these two might be the reasons. So in many cases it might not be available in your region. So in my region it's not available, so I don't have that option. But if it's available in your friends or your family members device, then what you need to do is simply go for your Play Store. If you're using an Android, go for your Play Store. If you're using the iPhone, then go for App Store and search for TikTok. Once you've searched here, you may have an update option. Simply go for update if you have any updates and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed, and then you can send a comment photo. So that's how you can send a comment photo in TikTok, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.